Hello, good morning. Good morning everyone. Happy day, happy smile guys. Guys, maging happy lang tayo always. Kahit busy tayo sa trabaho, happy all the time. Ayan guys, early morning may order akong 4 na extra large pizza. Pick up order for lunch time. Ayan. Sarap niyan guys. Yan siya oh. Ito, yung special pizza namin, UAPO pizza. May hipon, onion, green peppers, pepperoni, ham and mushroom ang toppings niya. Ito naman guys ang ham pineapple. Yan, napakarami ng pineapple. Ham under the cheese. Yan. Ito naman yung meat lovers. With pepperoni, salami, sliced beef, and ground beef, and bacon on the top. Ito naman just pepperoni only. Pepperoni under the cheese. Kasi pag nilagay mo sa taas, masusunog yan siya. Yan. Napakasarap yan guys. Special pizza namin to. Ito yung pinaka-special namin pizza dito. Yan. Isang pizza yan guys. $44. Yan. Yan. Thank you for watching. God bless you all. Bye-bye.